In this video, you will learn how to naturally clean a toilet bowl with this easy 2-ingredient DIY toilet bowl cleaner remedy. You're going to need baking soda, vinegar, and an essential oil, but this is optional. You're also going to need a spray bottle and a toilet brush. Start by pouring some vinegar into a spray bottle. If easier, use a silicone funnel to ensure you don't spill the vinegar all over the place. For added cleaning power and a better scent, feel free to add several drops of essential oil to the vinegar. We would recommend going with about 30 drops. If you do add essential oil, give the spray bottle a little shake prior to using. Essential oils that work well for cleaning are lemon, tea tree, pine, grapefruit, orange, peppermint, and lavender. Just a quick word on tea tree oil. Although it's great for cleaning, it doesn't smell good. So if you're looking to mask the smell of vinegar with something pleasant, tea tree is not the essential oil for that. Moving on, once the vinegar and essential oil, if you're using it, is in the spray bottle, spray the toilet bowl and allow the vinegar to sit for at least 15 minutes. After the time is up, sprinkle some baking soda into the toilet bowl. The baking soda acts as a mild abrasive while also helping to absorb odors. Scrub the baking soda around the toilet bowl with a toilet brush and flush when done. To clean the toilet handle, seat, and lid, use cleaning wipes. If you have particularly bad stains in the bowl, the best way to remove hard water stains in the toilet is with a pumice stone. There are pumice stones specifically made for cleaning stubborn toilet stains, and they usually have a handle on them. To use a pumice stone, put some cleaning gloves on and wet down your pumice stone by running it under a faucet, or simply dip it in the toilet bowl water. It is important to only work with a wet pumice stone to avoid scratching the porcelain. Once the pumice stone is wet, start scrubbing the toilet stains. While scrubbing the toilet stains with a pumice stone, you will notice some of the pumice stone will rub off on the toilet bowl as you clean. So flush the toilet every once in a while to see any areas you may have missed. If you're also looking for a simple way to freshen your toilets between cleanings, we would recommend using toilet bombs. Simply put 1 or 2 in the toilet and allow them to dissolve. Then give a quick scrub with a toilet brush and you're done. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 7 powerful ways to unclog a drain naturally. Thanks for watching and bye for now.